Hi everyone, this is your tutorial for the Energy Skate Park activity on the PhET site. So when you go to open your assignment, this hasn't been posted yet, that's why it looks weird, but you will see some instructions. There's a link to the website, and then there's a document that has been made for you to type on. So you'll want to open the website, and you will also want to have your document open as well. And the document looks like this. So it explains, go to the website. It's linked in the Google Classroom. The things you need to do on the screen are highlighted in bold. So as you scroll down through this document, you'll see bold text. Those are things that you need to do on the website. The questions that you need to answer are highlighted. So if you see a highlighted portion, then you should click below that and provide some kind of an answer. So for example, it says to open the link and then go to the play button to see a screen that looks like this. So it already took me straight there when I used the link in the Google Classroom. But if you were to type in the PhET site and search for skate park, you need to push the play button. Click on intro. Click on intro. Observe the screen. What types of options are available? To click a check mark in the upper right-hand side of the screen. So upper right-hand side, it'll let me put a check there, check there, check there, check there. So I would write or type pie chart, bar graph, grid, speed. Those are the things that I can check. And you'd list those below. Then it says check the pie chart, bar graph, and speed. Okay. Pie chart and the bar graph will show you the same information in different ways. They will show you how much of each kind of energy the skater is experiencing or making while they skate back and forth. Click and grab the skater and then set them on the track, the giant U-shaped thing. What happens when you let go? So you click, you grab a hold of them, and then you put them on the track. So there are several things that you can change, and the experiment walks you through those different options. If you need to restart the skater, you can click restart and then it will put them at the beginning of the track. If you click reset, it will put them down and uncheck everything. You are asked to change the mass of the skater. You are asked to change the shape of the track. You are asked to see what slow motion and normal motion does. And you can pause them at any time. You can go forward a little bit at a time. So you'll want to run these several times because it's difficult to watch the speed gauge and the pie chart on the person and the bar graph all at the same time. So you would want to let them skate for a while and watch and see what happens here. Watch what happens here. Watch what happens on the pie graph floating over their head. The color code is here. Thermal, total, those kinds of things. Okay. So that's the first part of the activity. You can see there are, lots of instructions walking you through all of that. The last part asks you to go to the playground. So you click on playground, and here you can make your own track. To do that, you grab a section of track. You can manipulate it using these red dots. It asks you to hook more than one piece together, and then you can decide if they can defy gravity or not. Again, you can adjust the friction, the mass of the skater, check these different measurements, and make your observations and record them on the sheet. We will talk more about this after break.